please. That's fine. Oh, Mr. McMurray, it's just going to be wonderful.
Oh, you mean the fact that our show is going to be on CBS this fall, huh?
His show? Oh, no. The Tales.
Oh.
It's really none of my business, but, I've always kind of thought of you as more of the casual type. Don't you think this is getting kind of fancy?
Well, you see, the Tales are for a wedding.
You're getting married.
No, I'm not getting married. Mike and Sally are getting married.
Mike?
Mike's the oldest of my 3 sons.
Oh, that's right, yeah. Well, just look at it this way. It's not so much as you're losing a son, you're gaining a new network.
Interrupt your programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow.
Turn it down.
This is a test of the emergency alert system capability. This test message has been initiated by National Alert and Warning Authorities in coordination with emergency alert system participants including broadcast, cable, satellite and wireless participants in your area. This is only a test. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you've just heard would have been followed by emergency information, news or instructions.